going to be teaching you how to use co-registration to build massive email lists. How to use co-registration to build massive email lists. If you're a keen follower of the internet marketing industry, you will have noticed there has been a lot of interest in co-registration services lately. A lot of people are asking if this was a new technology or concept. Okay? It was this profitpipelines.com guys that made it so popular. That the forums have been buzzing, the blogs have been busy, and people want to know what co-registration is all about. Co-registration is not a new concept. It's been done since the early days of the internet. It's just a simple way of building optimal email lists. Okay? The early internet marketers like Terry Dean and the late Corey Rudo used co-registration to build massive lists for themselves. It involves having your subscription offer listed along other publications' offers so that when someone signs up to the other newsletter, he or she is given the option of signing up for yours as well without needing to re-enter his or her personal information. Let me explain further. If you sign up for free stuff online, you must have come across a situation where you're asked if you're interested in similar free offers. You'll be asked to check the offer you're interested in. Once you check them and hit submit, you're automatically subscribed to multiple offers, usually newsletters. I love co-registration service because I don't have to go out and look for traffic. I just set up my account and the co-registration service direct people to my autoresponder account. I pay one-time fee and my subscribers will be delivered to me. Cost per subscriber is usually around 20 cents to $1. So your job is cut out. Pick a co-registration service. That's the first thing you should do. Pick one. Then the next is to write your co-reg ad. The advert you're going to be using that's going to be listed. Then open an autoresponder account with maybe GetResponse or Aweber. Then run your campaign. Let me go over that again. Pick a co-registration service. Write your co-reg adverts. Open an autoresponder account. Run your campaign. That's it. Do the above and start building your own list in a couple of hours. That's a guarantee. Thanks for your time.